You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.
Let him go. That will only prove to you that he will end up cheating on you eventually.
Come on, Mama. You shouldn't have said that to him. Let him marry her first.
Okay. She should marry him first. So he will end up cheating on her. Where? Then she will come back here crying. It's better she cries now than later.
Mama, I am not happy. Why would you do this? Why would you do this? How can I suffer for someone that at the end of the day he will not marry me? How?
What do you want to do? You want to run after him? Go and marry him. But let me warn you, don't come back here crying.
Mama, I need to go and see Onyeka. I need to search for him. I need to see him so I can settle this. I need to see him.
So me, I want to get ready to go and see Ogochukwu's husband. As you're going to see Onyeka, let me go and visit her husband.
Please, why are you attacking me this way this hot afternoon? What have I done wrong to you?
I beg, come off my face. Come off my face, you know be better person. You know everything. You call yourself my friend. Wetin go make you give that man your number? Wetin make you give him your number?
Oh, that. Nneka, please help me judge this. The man asked for my number and I gave it to him innocently.
Wetin go make you give him?
Why would I give him my number?
You know be better person. You know be better person at all. You know everything. You carry your number, go give him. Wetin there for your mind?
Ego, see, there is nothing wrong in what you did.
My sister.
What you did was the right thing. Just leave this one here, let's be going.
I beg you! Shut up your mouth! See, if you talk anything again, if I slap you one slap, your eardrum go receive alert.
Thank you, no fit. Here no be hospital. If you want fight, I go tear you for here. Here no be hospital.
I won't fight!
Hey.
You won't fight!
No.
Make I give you!
Don't mind her.
I am begging in the name of the Lord. Two people cannot be mad at the same time.
Yeah? You say? Yes! You the crazy? You the mad? Something they worry you for head? You said two people not the mad at the same time. Now me you must say I the mad. You won't follow this guy insult me, Abi? You won't follow this guy insult me? What make I give you? If I give you uppercut, you go look for your life, you know go see him. Something they worry you for head. See, make I tell you. From today henceforth, I'm not your friend. They in your space. Make I dey for my own space, JJ. I don't want anything to do with you again. You know be better person. As for that idiot when you give your number, that idiot, I swear to God, when I get to the office, I go use injection, finish in life. You see now? No problem.
Let us go.
But I do to her that she will hit me like that.
She's a backing dog. Let us go. Let her stay on her own.
So,
Let her go.
no, what did I do to Kamso that she will hit me?
She's just a backing dog.
Kamso!
She's a backing dog. It's okay.
Hey! Why would she do a thing like that? Has she forgotten that you are her late husband's only surviving brother? One.
Look, leave her. I'm going to deal with them. Yes, I will deal with them. Just because the son made some little money.
Change.
So they are raising their shoulder. Look, if I see her legs on that land again, you'll see what I will do.
I trust you.
In fact, that land is now yours. I'm giving it to you. Wow.
The land?
Yes, sir.
You're giving me that land?
We.
Richard!
It's yours.
Richard!
It's yours.
Thank you. You are very sweet. In fact, I'm happy that you're here. It's just that there's something I wanted to discuss with you.
You are my love. Anything you want to say, go ahead and say. Is it because of the problem you have with Geraldine?
God forbid. I've sorted that one out.
Then spill it out. What is it, mon amour? Tell me.
Jay, it's about my younger sister's admission. She passed her JAMB, but my mom don't have money to pay her school fees. And you know me now. You have been the one sustaining me and my children. Please, Iche, I need you.
Mon amour, no. That means you don't know me. Look, when I was working with the local government and they sent me to Côte d'Ivoire, and when I was there, they know me to be a philanthropist. I release. Once the money is there, I give. Don't worry, I'll sort it out.
Iche,
I will sort it out.
Say you will sort it out.
Yes, we.
Meaning you will pay the school fees.
We. Anything for my mother-in-law.
Thank you.
No problem. Just mention it again.
So you're sweet.
Oh no.
Let's go inside. I know how you like it.
You like it.
You know that's the only thing I can offer.
These people they find my trouble for this village, oh. They find my trouble, oh. Mama, wetin do you for eye? Why your eye dey red?
Ekemma.
Ekemma do wetin?
Ekemma fought me.
Na lie. Na lie. Ekemma, Letu Zube's wife.
Exactly. You know that's our land. I had warned us severally. Don't enter that land again. Stop farming on that land. I met her there again today. Before I could say anything, Ekemma started fighting.
Hey! Mama, wait.
Ekemma fought me.
Oh, Mama, wait. I need to understand something before I kill somebody. You won't tell me, say, Ekemma get mind, carry her hand, touch you for body?
Ekemma fought me. Make sure you beat her well, so that she will know I have a daughter that is strong. That I am not strong does not mean that I don't have a daughter that is strong. Beat her very well. Make sure you beat her. Make sure you beat her. Make sure you beat her.
I will not take such from her next time. I will not take it. Besides, I'm not the one that asked her not to marry on time.
I thought we'd discuss this now. Let it go. Biko, do you know sometimes I feel for this girl? I feel for her. I know she desperately needs a man in her life. But with the way she's going, she'll keep meeting wrong men.
I wonder.
I've told her that.
But wait, that girl that we are always seeing with Oga Kingsley, is she his sister or his wife to be?
Kena Jum, people that I saw kissing with my 2 eyes. Fiancé. That's what she is. They are seriously getting married. Yes.
Then why was he now asking you, are you married, are you engaged? What's up with all that? Why was he asking you?
I don't know, my sister. Was it not the same question he was asking Kamso that made her feel, oh, he has interest in her? That's meant for you. Hello? Yeah, who is this? Hey, Oga Kingsley. How are you, sir? How is your woman? Hey, I'm sorry, my regards to her. I've closed. But yes, I'll be there tomorrow. My Facebook name. Okay, it's Ego Madoka. Okay, bye.
Yeah. Facebook name, what? What does he want with your Facebook name?
I don't know. I do not know, my sister. I will know where he's going to.
Where?
Where?
Your mother, is she not back from the Omugo? It's almost 1 month though.
My mother is enjoying herself in the city. She's doing 3 months there. So she's not coming back anytime soon.
Yeah. Your younger sister is lucky to have married a very rich man.
Is that not what everybody is praying for? Is that not what you're praying for?
Sister, that is what I'm praying for. Go and bring food for me, I beg. I want to eat. I'm hungry. Go inside and bring food for me.
Are we not just coming back together from work now? Where did you see me make the food?
Go inside and get me something.
Then you have to wait now. Let me do something.
I'll wait.
Again, ma. Come out before I begin to pull down this your house. What's follow? Come out here. Again, ma.
What is it? Why are you shouting?
He said what? Something that worry for head. Did the man? When did make you touch my mama? My mama and your mates.
You slapped me.
You won't collect another one. You won't collect another bad one. Something that worry you.
Did you come to fight me in my own husband's house?
Which husband? The husband where you keep. See, make I warn you for the very last time, Any day when I see this or two left leg for that land again, I will use injection. Finish your life. I will show you fight. Yeah, show me. I will show you. Show me fight.
What is happening here? Wait, what is happening here? Leave me alone. Don't let me put your name in my to-do list. Don't let me put your name in my to-do list in this community. Leave.
Wait till they see. Wait till my eye they see so. So now you, Now you they give this one moral,
God punish you.
When they make her to talk to my mama anyhow, God will punish you.
God will punish you.
God will punish you.
God will punish you.
Sacrilege.
Leave now.
Oh, I don't go. What you go do? I don't go.
Leave here now.
I go do. I have a phone. No problem. You see una? What you want to do? What do you want to do?
No problem. Just wait for me.
Hey.
Wait for me. You will hear from me very soon.
Hey.
You will hear from me very soon.
Now this is the one that they do, Now this is the one that they do.
Hey.
No problem.
Who even asked you to come out?
Why will I leave her to don't fight you like that?
Leave her to do what? Look at you.
It's okay.
You can't even wear your clothes. Who asked you to come out?
It's okay now.
Just leave me.
Mon
Don't
amour.
touch me again.
Hey.
And look at the way you just disgrace.
Mon amour.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready for
I
action?
am ready.
Hey,
I am
are
ready.
you ready for action?
I am ready.
Hey!
I
Today
am
we are
ready.
going to give him either SmackDown or what? Wrestling. WrestleMania.
Everyone want to
See,
finish that guy.
hide your stick so he will not see us. Hide your stick. We're going to take it unaware. Hide your stick. Unaware motive.
Confirm.
Sit.
I must remove it from his name.
That ugly boy wants to challenge us, the champions of this village. Okay now. Hey, stop it. Stop there, are you mad?
Hold it. Hold it.
I told you that this fight has not ended.
Yes, now. Wow.
This is part 2. We are going to kill you here, or in fact, you cannot kill us. We are going to kill you here, or what? Bury you alive.
We must distinguish
Choose
your
one.
face.
Choose
Yeah.
one. Either we'll kill you or we'll bury you alive. Choose one now.
Choose one. No. I thought both of you have died. Or do you resurrect?
Oh, you're still talking.
Okay, now that you have resurrected, both of you should choose who dies first.
You're still talking, Abi?
Yes, still talking.
Are you ready to Mike?
I am ready.
Mike.
Who dies first?
Mike Taxon.
Eh?
You are
Who
Mike
dies
Taxon.
first? I am ready.
Are you ready?
I am ready.
To attack.
Yes, sir.
Attack.
Come here.
Come here. Oh, come.
Wetin be that nonsense where you talk now? Because I hear am.
Chikamsi, I wasn't talking to you.
Now me you dey talk to. I hear am. But I won't make you tell me to my face. Say wetin you talk. Talk am again.
Kamso, please, it's okay.
Okay, wetin? Make she talk am. You should be woman.
Wait, Chikamsi. And if I don't say it, what will you do?
What will you do? You village nurse. I be village.
Yes, you are.
I be village.
Yes.
No problem. If I be village nurse, your papa na village she-goat. Your mama village she-goat. You she-goat plus a shower. Wetin you dey do for school? Woohoo! It is say we no know. Anyway, I no get time to talk to you. But everybody, I dey tell you, everybody for this village, I go tell them wetin your papa do. Your papa go kill Nzube, make him for take him wife. Yeah? It is say we no know. Woo! All of us don find out. You no see them? Birds of the same feathers. Now they fly together. Woo! 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 You don't see your life?
What's the meaning of that?
What's the meaning of what? Shut up your mouth, you dey talk, something worry you for head. Something dey worry you.
Chikamso, do you know the person that is mad here? The person that is mad is you!
Eh? Your very crazy and you're very shameless. And I repeat, you're a shameless relationship.
Put on the Messi Kunyala. Put on the Messi Kunyala. Isinife mwewa kwakao. Kobo madu memeno yao. Gini ne Messi mumani.
Mon amour, s'il vous plaît. This thing.
Leave me alone now. I said the feeling is no longer there. Kamso has succeeded in spoiling my day. I'm no longer interested. See, the only thing that matters to me now is my sister's school fees. Just go and dress up, go home and bring the money for me.
Calm down now, calm down. I told you I'm going to deal with her. Please. S'il vous plaît, mon amour, please. Look, as for the school fees of your sister, I told you I will take care of it.
The feelings is no longer there now. When you were eating banana inside, I want you to stop eating that banana, but you kept eating it. Now you're disturbing me. Maybe because you're seeing my body. Let me just cover it for you. What is this now? You can't control yourself. Are you a dog?
Wait, you know the combination of banana and granite is very good. And I ate a lot of the granite too. That's what it's worth.
Oh, just leave me alone. I'm no longer interested. Leave me now.
Leave me. Please now.
You want to rape me? Chimo.
Mon amour.
What kind of problem is this? What's about doing this to us? Go do so good hand bikon.
Sister, I'm hungry. I'm very, very hungry. Oh.
Hey, Queen. I know you will be hungry. Hey, please calm down and see. Let me go and check our room if I will see anyone.
They will see fight.
But I can't.
Let them wait.
But what is it? Hey! No, brother. Hey!
Emeka.
Brother, no.
You see, Mike? I know Ugonna. I will kill them today.
No, brother, no. Brother, don't go anywhere. You may kill someone.
Hey, Wayo, please calm down. But don't fight, please.
If not that both of you are holding me, I would have done something.
Papa refused to give us money to cook. They're going to fight.
You mean there's no food?
Nebe, he didn't.
Papa did not even give us couple.
And you are very hungry.
Very, very.
What the ganaro? Hey! Who knows the condition of your child now? The hunger will be knocking him or her very well now. It's even better that you are hungry. You especially.
What I know is that I'm very, very hungry.
You should be hungry. So let me know if that baby inside you hunger can be. It's not a hunger kill it there. Let it die. In your pianos. In fact, don't worry, I know what to do. Let me go to it.
Tita, I don't know what possessed me. Please, you have to help me talk to Uzo. He's not taking my calls and he's not even replying to my messages.
Don't worry. I'm on my way to the village. When I get to the village, I will talk to him. I promise.
Are you sure you will forgive me?
Evelyn, you and Ozona love each other so much. He will forgive you. Don't worry, okay?
Please, can I go with you to see him? Don't worry, I'll wait outside the gate until he asks me to come in.
No. There won't be need for that, okay? Don't worry, once I'm done with him, I'll call you.
Shita, I insist, please.
No. I'll call you once I'm done with him, alright?
Okay, I'll be expecting your call.
Just take care.
Okay, thank you.
Alright.
Brother, where did you get all this plenty money from?
Ask no question.
Is it Papa's room?
You don't need to ask. Oh yeah, take this money. Take it. Go inside the house. Use pen and paper. Write down all the things that we need in this house. Everything that we need in this house. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, neighbor.
Sister, what is it?
Your boss.
Ijoma, why is your face like that?
Sister, what is it?
Okay.
Kamso slapped me.
Hey!
Kamso.
Why did she slap you?
Nothing, no. Brother, nothing, no. Me, I was just walking on the road with my friend Rose. We were just going, talking about life and school, everything. I just said Nurse Eliza. only and comes to slap me, but trust me now, I dig it with her. I beat her mercilessly. But you know why my face is like this?
What?
But now she said Papa is a he-goat. She said Papa is a he-goat. She said you're a he-goat. She said my sisters are she-goats.
Now what have she-goats?
I'm telling you. I don't know that is very me the most. She said Papa that is resting in peace is a she-goat.
Hey, my own mother.
That was the smallest one, oh. Do you know what she said? She said Papa killed Dede in Zube and took his wife.
Hey! Chimo!
So Papa took a chemo.
Chelu. Where did she get that from?
Are you asking me?
For her to say this thing, that means this will be a rumor that has been going on in this village. In that case, Papa has question to answer us when he comes back.
Kill.
Eh? Papa, when will Papa come back? Papa will ask us a question because Papa is causing us problem in this village, in this house. Let me tell you, for her to say this thing is a rumor. It's a gossip already.
Eliza, we'll have to teach her.
So she called me he-goat.
Brother, you said you are the biggest he-goat in Nigeria.
That means I'm a well, sir.
But we will deal with that girl. You have to deal with that. In fact, I will escort you to go and deal with that.
Hey, people say Mama is a she-goat. Mama that is resting in peace. I mean in pieces. I don't know. But Mama that is dead, she said Mama is a she-goat.
No wonder Ndoka supported her.
Mama, I see them today with my two koro eye.
Hey.
If you see their position, Mama, if you see the condition where they're there, you gonna say these two people problem there. Anyway, now if I won't go back, so ma go see Mama Uzonna. Make I tell her waiting the ground.
Who else? If not her.
Mama, I don't get any other person to lie on. I don't get any shoulder to lie on. Sometimes if I want to tell you some things, you go just say they go. Now she always could and listen to me. As for Ego, from today I tell her, say, no, they talk to me again, so she don't be my friend.
Stop saying that. I don't want you to say that again. In fact, I don't want you to get involved again in that Ozonna's family. I don't want you to go there again. Stop. Tell me what he's done for you. No, tell me, what has he done for you? Nothing. He comes in and goes. He has never done anything for you. He has never cared for you. You're only moving in. No, stop going there. I don't want you to go there again. Please.
No, no be say I too like to dey go there. But anytime I say, I beg, make I not go again. Make I not go. My spirit's going to drag me back.
Tell your spirit to leave you alone, so you will not go there.
Mama, I love Uzonna. Make I just dey try my best. Maybe God go just do one thing. He go come marry me. Eh? Don't worry, I know what will be your problem. Anything where you want.
Leave me.
I go buy and give you. I be international also.
International nurse. Keep deceiving yourself. I just want you to learn. Kamsi, learn. Learn 1 minute. Learn. Anya isa, akalanya sa. Open your eyes. International nurse, we no one learn.
Emeka, qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que tu arrive? Chérie, is someone dead? Or?
Papa, leave me alone.
Has any of you gotten herself pregnant again? Why is it that all of you are moody? It's like it wants to rain. What is happening here? Papa, shame on you. Eh? So, Papa, this is what you do. Hey! Moi! So, this is what you do. Wait, Chere. Did you just say shame on your father? Did you just say shame on your father, Emeka?
Papa, shame on you.
You too?
Papa, shame on you. Papa, so you have money to take care of another family. And you're not taking care of your own family, Papa.
Look, I don't want to be angry. I don't want to be angry. Écoutez, listen very well. I don't want to be angry. The insult that Mama Uzona gave to me is enough. Oh. It's enough.
Papa, you should be ashamed of yourself. Eh? Why wouldn't they insult you? Tell me, why would they insult you? But look at you. It's because of you that they are all avoiding us. One of the nonsense you have been doing. When a widow will not let you to live, every time you are always looking for her. Every time you are looking for a widow. You should, in fact, we are all ashamed of you. Look at you. Is this bad behavior of yours that made you abandon our mother in the hospital to die? Papa, this is not nice. This is very wicked of you. Oh!
But let me think. You see, in this house, I am going to disfather you. In fact, all of us will disfather you. Now we have known the meaning of this Otulave, Otulewani, Nuvero, Nukuani, Parlez-vous, Narawani. Are widow, Ekemwa, the widow, Parlez-vous, Nikie, Papa, shame on you. Your daughter here, someone got her pregnant. Papa, you did not do anything about it. I will deal with this one. And this Papa, till now, you did not do anything. Look at your daughter here. She's about to lose admission. Papa, nothing. All you care about to Louveron, all the Louveron and the Parlez-vous, all the Paragnon is on Ekemma, the widow. That's the people you are taking care of. Oh, go and buy something I want you to buy. Okay. Papa, in this house, we will give you one. In fact, you will not eat in this house. We shall see. Wait, Cherry. You and who shall see? Or who shall see with me?
You and us. All of us, we shall see.
You are not. Go inside, don't push, go inside. Papa, you will not get to sit on this seat. Stand there. You are not a visitor in this house. You are a fool. Complete fool. I think you've lost it. Should I give you cola? Get off from my seat. Papa, should I give you cola? Should I give you cola in your own house? All the Parlez-vous, Villaret, Otulaver. Papa, Otulaver in this. Papa, you prostitute. Oh, you want me to Papa, Otulaver, to break your head? Papa, Parlez-vous, Otulaver.
Honestly, Cheta, I'm so disappointed at myself for bringing such a mad person to my mother. Cheta, you need to see what this girl called my own mother a witch in my presence.
Are you serious? She did all that?
Oh, but she did more than that now. She fought me for trying to intervene. Cheta, you know I've never said no to you, right? But you see in this one, it's a total no for me.
Oh, wait. What could possibly make her behave in such manner? I mean, what came over her?
Nothing came over her. She's obviously tired of keeping that secret away from me. I mean, she's tired of pretending. That is who she is. Cheta, I mean, this girl apologized to me. She said, I'm sorry, please take me to your mother. Let me tell her sorry, all of that. And I brought her and she repeated the same thing again. She was calling me a witch. My mother is a witch. My family is a total as a nonsense. That guy is a mad person. Now, where will I start from now? Where will I start from?
Wait, Uzana. You just have to give her some minutes to say what she has to say. I mean, hear her out and know what actually happened.
Are you out of your mind?
I'm not out of my mind.
No, like you didn't hear what I just said?
I heard what
Someone that called my mother a witch? This is not the first time, this is not the second time. I should give her another chance. Obviously to come and repeat herself again.
There's always a second
chance. I am done. D-O-N-E, done.
Okay, no problem. I've heard you.
Alright. So go back and tell her what I said. I'm done.
I've heard you.
Monomo.
What is it? What do you want?
Why are you this antagonistic? Is that the way you're going to welcome me? I came with good news. You've not even heard it and you are antagonizing me. Why?
Atangeni. My sister is about to lose her admission and you're here telling me about good news. What nonsense good news?
Patience. Patience is a virtue. Just listen to my good news. Wait. This is the good news. 100,000 naira. You see what I mean?
More.
You see what I mean?
Hey! Iche, I told you. 100,000
naira.
Hey, Iche, oh.
See, I told you. I said once they pay me at the local government, I will settle that bill. Hey. You see what I mean?
Thank you,
Eh?
Iche. Thank
I can't do anything for you.
Hey, my boy, why you say you're so sweet?
Let's go inside and celebrate, yeah?
Yes, let's go. Iche, you know what will happen? You will just go and come back because my younger sister will soon be here.
That is very thoughtful of you.
Yes.
Because we wouldn't want her to come and meet us.
Yes.
So I will come back.
You come back.
More.
More.
My pori.
I will give it to you.
You understand? I'm coming back. My more.
More.
Later, eh?
Mona. Bye.
Mona.
Ezigbo nwa m. Daalụ. God bless you.
No wahala.
This one is all right. Oh, just go and put it and you come and rest.
Hey, make I drop and they come, eh?
For fetching water for your poor mother.
No problem. You did well. And they come.
Cancel. Nwa, eh? Ị na-eme erika. Ka na-ebu aja.
Mama, no need to worry. At least I dey happy now say you get water wey go dey enough for you for 2 more days. Anything wey you need, tell me.
A long one. You have done enough already. That one will do. Just go inside and rest. I've told your brother to help me get somebody that will help me run chores around the house.
When I dey here? Mama, you no need to worry yourself when I dey here. Anything wey you need, just tell me I go do am. Even that your leg wey you say dey pain you, I don arrange drugs. You no know me o. I tell you say from this nurse wey I be so, I go graduate be doctor. Hi mama. Mama, tame for me. Tame. Just say tame. Too much. Mama, see the drugs. If you drink am, you don't dey okay. Nothing go do you again. You go do alright. I dey tell you.
Kamso.
Mama.
What name will I call you? Nurse or doctor?
No, nurse versus doctor. Council, professional, international, worldwide. I too much.
God bless you, my daughter. God bless you. So how much will I fund you?
No, mama. You be my person now. I go collect money from you. Just drink the medicine. Be fine. For my husband.
Hey, your husband. Oh, you mean your brother was on that?
No, my husband. My husband.
This boy is hard-hearted.
Mama, I have told you. Let me go and see him.
You want to marry him? I'm going to go ahead and go and see him. Mana, let me warn you. Don't come crying back home. All the other girls in the village are getting married, while my own daughters are hopping out of marriage.
Mama, please, let her go. Let her go and see him. Jane, go and talk to him, okay? You mustn't come back the way I did. Our destinies are different. Just go.
Mama, I will see you when I come back.
Anyway, I think we should go and see your own husband. Since he has refused to pick up my calls, we need to go and see him.
My own husband? You want me to marry the man that cheated on me?
Well, we need to find out what the problem is. Alright, is it not better than you staying at home? I think we should go.
Chikamso, why are you like this? Eh?
Wetin happen?
Ekote mo oku na mo motale.
Wetin happen again? Wetin I do?
Okay, you don't know.
Mama, wetin I do now?
You don't know. Let me tell you, Chikamso. We don't have water in our house. Yet, you have the mind to go and fetch water for Amaka. Eh? Chikamso, you are on night duty and I don't have water. As you're coming back now, you start preparing for your night shift. Chikamso, what is it?
I go fetch am now. You no matter who I first fetch for. Now, she be na house I dey go, so I go fetch am.
You go fetch am.